Hi my dear student, today we will discuss chapter 3 theory of equations. Exercise 3.5 question number 5. Solve 6x44 minus 35x cube plus 62x square minus 35x plus 6 equal to 0. It is degree 4. Very first you wanted to verify whether x minus 1 is a factor, sum of the coefficient. So when you add everything, I am not getting 0. So x minus 1 is not a factor. Sum of even coefficient, I am getting 74 and this is 70, sum of odd coefficient. So I am not getting sum of even coefficient is equal to sum of odd coefficient, not possible. In this case these two are different. So sum of even coefficient not equal to sum of odd coefficient. So the basic condition of x plus 1 and x minus 1 is not a factor. Okay. So I wanted to use trial and error method whether 2, minus 2, 3, 4 etc. I wanted to check. Before that, when you see the question, it has degree 4, degree 3, degree 2, degree 1 constant. In order, every term is present. And see the coefficient end to end, 6 and 6 same. Minus 35, same. This is a middle term. So when a fourth degree equation look like this, how the end to end coefficients 6 and 6 are same. And minus 35 and minus 35 and same. And the middle term no problem. If it is like this, you wanted to divide x square, then it will be a different structure, but it is very easy to simplify the problem. Just confirm whether the extreme ends are same and this is the middle term. Okay, then you can divide x square. Okay, when you divide x square, see what will happen. I'll divide x square. So it will be 6x square and this will be 35x. And this will be 62 and this will be by x. X square means 1x get cancelled. X 6 by x square. See what happened. These two I can take 6 common. And these two I can take minus 35 common. And this is the middle term constant. That's why I verified in the very beginning. Extreme n values are same. So when you divide x square, it will be like this. I can take 6 common between these two. It will be x square plus 1 by x square. And I can take minus 35 as common between these two. It will be x plus 1 by x and 62. I will take y equal to x plus 1 by x. This is I am taking y. When you square, it will be x square plus 1 by x square 2ab. That is 2xx cancel plus 2. That plus 2 comes here minus 2. So this is what your term here. So when you take x plus 1 by x as y, when you take x plus 1 by x as y, then your x square plus 1 by x square will be y square minus 2. Got it? Then x square plus 1 by x square become y square minus 2. Just replace 6 times. What is this? Y square minus 2 minus 35 times. What is this? Y. And this is plus 62 equal to 0. Multiply 6y square minus 12 minus 35y plus 62 will be 0. And this is 6y square minus 35y. When 12 subtract 50. Is it clear? Finally, I am getting a quadratic equation in terms of y, which is 6y square minus 35y plus 50 equal to 0. You wanted to factorize. The product is 6 into 50 is 300. Product is positive, sum is minus. So both the number is negative, whose product is positive, and you wanted to add, you will get 35. 35 you need, which is 15 times 20. 15 times 20 gives 300, minus into minus plus. Minus 15 minus 20 gives minus 35. So this is okay. And divide by 6. It will be how many 3 here? 5 times, 2 times. Here cancel by 2, 10 times, 3 times. So this will be 2y minus 5 into 3y minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore y will be 5 by 2 comma 10 by 3. So in this case, when you factorize, you are getting the value of y will be 5 by 2 and 10 by 3. Just substitute here, you will get the value of x. Just substitute here, that is x plus 1 by x as 5 by 2 and 10 by 3. we'll get the required value of x. Is it clear? Therefore, x plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2. Okay. Your y is 5 by 2, 10 by 3. What is your y? X plus 1 by x. So, your x plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2. Take LCM. X square plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2. Cross multiply. 2x square plus 2 equal to 5x. 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. The product is 4. I need the sum is minus 5. So 4 ones are, but the, see, minus into minus plus, 4 ones are 4. And I have the sum is minus 5, minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. So just divide by 2. So it will be x minus 2 and it will be 2x minus 1 equal to 0. It gives x equal to 2 comma 1 by 2. So when you equate your x plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2, simplify, finally you are getting x equal to 2 comma 1 by 2. Similarly, you want to equate with 10 by 3. Now, I will equate x plus 1 by x with 10 by 3. X plus 1 by x equal to 10 by 3. 10. Therefore, take LCM. X square plus 1 by x equal to 10 by 3. Cross multiply. 3x square. 3 ones are 3. 10x comes here, minus 10x equal to 0. I cross multiplied. 3x square plus 3. This is 10x. When it comes to the left hand side, minus 10x. Here the product is 9. Sum is minus 10. Product is 9. Sum is minus 10. So it will be minus into minus plus, 9 ones are 9. Minus 9 minus 1 minus 10. Just divide this 3. It will be x minus 3 into 3x minus 1 equal to 0. X will be 3 comma 1 by 3. Is it clear? So in this case, when you equate with 10 by 3, that is x plus 1 by x, finally I am getting x equal to 3 comma 1 by 3. So in this case, x will be 2 comma 1 by 2 comma 3 comma 1 by 3. So the given equation degree 4. It has 4 values. Finally I am getting 2 comma 1 by 2 comma 3 comma 1 by 3. Is it clear?